welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Danielle. I am the creator of Messy Heart Crazy Life. Here on my channel, I share everything beauty. I just realized that my hair literally matches oh, you know how when you have hair problems and this is not the color that it was supposed to come out, but I just realized how close it is to my backdrop. So it literally looks like I have no hair. So welcome to my channel for those of you who are new. But anyways, today's video is going to be, or before I get into that, for those of you who are not new and have checked out my videos or subscribed, please remember to subscribe. I do a variety of different videos about beauty, all that stuff, but I am in a different location. So I'm actually in my home office. I rearranged everything so that I could work from home, do my work from home, but also do like half of my desk as a YouTube studio. Before I was doing it in my bathroom, and I decided that the lighting was a little wonky, the sun going in and out, I wasn't able to control it as much, and the sound quality wasn't as great. So bear with me as I'm kind of working through that, you know, the lighting and the sound and all that stuff. But today's video I'm really excited to do because it is something that I feel like we've talked about this topic about a year ago, or when everybody like first went into quarantine, which was about a year ago. And all of a sudden it almost seemed to like fall away from social media, and I rarely ever see anybody talk about it, but it is human trafficking. So I remember in like March, April time, all of a sudden there was this huge thing about, you know, child trafficking and human trafficking, and you know, it was this huge big thing of why aren't people talking about it? And then all of a sudden it just went away. And we're kind of back to where we were before, where I feel like not a lot of people are talking about it. So here in the DFW area, there is a foundation, I guess, for lack of a better word, that helps women who are involved in human trafficking. They help try to get them back on their feet, try to take care of them, and, you know, try to get them back on their feet. It is something that is absolutely horrific. I couldn't even imagine, and especially when I hear about children, it just is unbearable. But wanted to do my part. Unfortunately, with COVID, things are limited. Obviously, it's hard to volunteer places. So what I did was I went on their website, and they have a subscription box where it's a fundraising box. And basically what it is the box's funds are designed to create a steady stream of income to help provide trauma care and counseling to these women that come into the center, medical and dental expenses, basic necessities, and so much more for the girls and women. And the Bochy, I think that's how you spell it or say it, Bochy's Place Safe Home. So each box holds over $200 in value. They include a survivor-made product in each box in order to provide hands-on training, job training, and a sense of empowerment for those survivors of human trafficking. The mission, the box is a part of the ecosystem being created by the founder to build a sustainable model for long-term solutions to eradicate human trafficking. As I tear up, I say that. So the box says, when you take a step, she takes a step. So an awesome thing. I mean, I hate to say it, I spend so much in beauty products, and to be able to get something that I can share with you guys, but also know that it's helping somebody else is a great feeling. So I ended up subscribing to the quarterly box. It's $80. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the box came like this. It is gigantic. And oh my goodness. This is all the stuff. So I'm going to, you know, obviously they don't have like a cutesy little box and everything. I'm fine with that because half those boxes that I get, I end up throwing away. So this is perfect for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and then we'll kind of go through. I have no idea what's in the box. I think they do, like on their Instagram, they will show like a preview into the box and everything. To me, I kind of like the surprise. So we'll get into it. Okay, so I've unpacked everything. A lot of the brown packaging was, you know, for the more delicate items, so it did take a little bit to go through everything. It does have a $25 off for keratin, which I believe is one of the products, so that's it. I don't see any like insert of, hey, this is what the product is, this is where you find it, or retail or anything like that, which is fine. I can always go on the website, or I can Google it. I mean, thanks to the internet, we have everything at our fingertips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab and go, and we'll go through it together. So in no particular order, the first thing is this Cocoa Star Cherry Blossom Lip Mask. It's for firming and vitality mask, and it's Korean. I've never heard of this brand before, but I absolutely love doing lip masks. I love doing masks in general. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, I usually every Sunday I'm doing a mask, but definitely something very interesting and something that I will use because I love these things. So next is, oh, this is interesting. Sweet Smith Candy Co. Strawberry Shortcake Brittle. Overwhelm your senses with decadent white chocolatey topping, golden vanilla brittle, and finally luscious tangy delectable strawberries picked to their peak of flavor. You'll be very pleased. So it's gluten-free, egg-free, vegetarian. Unfortunately, it does have soy, but it's only soy lecithin or whatever it's called. So I should be able to have it, but I'm doing Whole30, so this is not even an option. But it definitely does look interesting. I do love strawberry shortcake, so once I get off my Whole30 diet, maybe I'll dig into it. Next is this. Don't know what's in here. Okay, so they're just little cards that say, I'm beautiful, strong, wonderful, and confident. I am full of potential. I am made with greatness. So they're just affirmation cards. So I guess you can just put them all over the place, you know, put them on your mirror or whatever in your car. And they're just cute affirmation cards. So that's super adorable. And it does come with a little pouch. So next is a body scrub. There's definitely something that kind of got, I feel like something got yucky. It doesn't have any like ingredients on it. I can't smell anything because COVID. So I can't even tell you what it smells like, but it does look very nice. Let me just feel it real quick. Okay, so it's definitely very oily, which I prefer because it kind of sits in your skin better. I don't like thick lotions where it's just yucky. I like that thin oil. Even though it still leaves that residue on your skin, I just like an oily feeling. So that's really interesting. Okay, so this is a little keratin, I guess, brush, and that's where the coupon came in. But it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't have any instructions. I'm guessing it's one of those things like a scalp massager. Like when you're doing your shampoo or conditioner, you can massage your scalp. It actually feels really good. I love when I go go get a massage or whatever, I always ask them if they can just like run their fingers through my hair. My hair lady, you know, where they just scrub your hair. Almost is kind of like a volumizer too. Like it's teasing my hair. Look at that. Well, hello, that's not bad. There you go. Tease a little bit. That worked. So very cool. And then it does have the website on here, so I'll be able to go on and see if there's anything else that piques my interest. So next is a candle. This is, again, I don't recognize the brand, but it's called Rose Petals. It's supposed to be a floral bouquet reminiscent of fresh picked, can't read that, rod rose petals. Again, can't smell anything, but super cute. I love candles, so can't go wrong with candles. So next, some candy hearts. This is pure sugar candy hearts raspberry mimosa. So again, they're super cute, perfect for Valentine's Day. Again, can't partake in them because I'm doing Whole30, but once I am done with it, I will try it out, or I'll just give it to my daughter and she'll love it. Okay, so next is this cute wear and remember you are loved, can't read, uncurved jewelry. So it's this cute little heart necklace. My daughter will love this. It's kind of, it looks like a little dice or whatever, but I am sure that she will absolutely, she loves like cute little delicate things. So that's super cute. Here's something in here, more jewelry. Oh, these are cute. So these are like little heart earrings. Okay, I gotta try them on. Okay, so there they are. Oh, they're so cute. I love hearts, even if it's not Valentine's Day. I think hearts are just classic and super girly, and I really, really like them. So very cute. I like that. So next are the shampoo and conditioner. I think this is leaking just a little bit, but not a big deal. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. Something else kind of leaked. But this is for frizzy and dull hair shampoo, frizzy dull hair conditioner. It's SLS free, paraben free, cruelty free, made with recycled plastic, won't break your heart. I don't know what that means. Yeah, we've thought of it all. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but super cute packaging. My son has very curly kind of frizzy hair, so, and these pump bottles are perfect for him so he doesn't glop it out in his hand. So it's weird how when you, like having kids that are older, like before you know, 10 years ago when I used to do these boxes, I never thought, like, my kids were too young for me to gift things to them. But now I'm like, oh yeah, my daughter will like that. Or oh yeah, my son will like that or whatever. But that's the beauty of doing these boxes, is it's not necessarily everything that I would use, but I'm able to use it within my household. So very, very cool there. So the last product is this, and I did actually see it on their Instagram, and they said it was a game changer for like leggings, if your leggings were always falling down. So apparently it's like some kind of belt tights up. Mega grip gel backing, keep tights, leggings, and jeans in place. Be active, be comfortable, be you. So yeah, it's supposed to, you put it around your waist and it keeps your like leggings up and your jeggings up and all that stuff or whatever. It looked really, really interested. So I'll definitely look to try that, because I do have a pair of jeans. I think they're from like Old Navy or whatever, because I always have to get my jeans cinched in the back. Like I have to go take them in because they're always kind of gappy in the back, because I do have a smaller waist and, you know, bigger hips and everything. So I always have to get my jeans altered, but it is so expensive to get. I think it's like $30 or something like that for them to cinch it in the back to take out the extra fabric or the extra, you know, jean material or whatever. And so a lot of the jeans, you know, yeah, if I spend $60 on a jeans, then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm pushing $100 just to, you know, get my jeans where I want them to. So I have a pair of like Old Navy jeans, which obviously are not $60, but I really like them, but they always kind of fall down. So I'll definitely have to give this one a try. That was it. That was my first Bochy's box for February. Really, really excited about the products. I think a lot of them are super, super cute. A lot of them, unfortunately, I can't eat yet, but I'm day 6 on my Whole30 diet. So I'm very much in the early stages, but this is stuff that I can put to the side. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you've ever tried this box before, please leave your comments below. If you have any questions, please leave those below. I'll leave all the details to the box and the foundation. The charity, I guess, is more appropriate word, but I'll leave all the information below in case you are interested in getting your own Bochy's box or helping out with human trafficking, specifically here in the DFW area. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.